It's okay. This is a newfound freedom that they have because the way their minds are functioning, if they speak, not two people in their family will listen to them. So the only thing that they can do is put out their trash out there in the social media. Well, SadhGuru, you're hitting out… I'm not hitting out at anybody. Today is not a hitting day. I'm just telling you, this is the reality. And if you… I'm talking about me being a tool. If you want to use me as an effective tool, so inspiration, okay, but if you are going to remain inspired, every day you need inspiration, this is simply because there is not enough energy in you to sustain you. Friend, philosopher, guide, that's not the way at all. The next possible way, which is a meaningful way to use a guru is, you use him as a doorway. You want to go through him. If you want to walk through a doorway, you must be little smaller than the doorway, otherwise you won't fit. This is the nature of the doorway. This is not my my demand on you, but you need to be a little smaller than the doorway. Otherwise, getting stuck in the doorway is not a great thing. This is happening to some people, that they get stuck in the doorway and they think… they're complaining, why can't they make the door little bigger? Well, if I make the doorway little bigger, you may puff up little more. Right now, obesity is a huge problem on the planet. They're telling me 30% of the world's population is obese. So, there is always a possibility that if we increase the size of the doorway, you will become bigger and still you won't fit. So you need to shrink a little bit. Your sense of who I am has to come down.